Hello, welcome back to FOOD, and today we are going to make one of my favorite things to have around Halloween, which is called Monster Munch. Our ingredients are 24 ounces of vanilla flavored almond bark, half a cup of peanut M&Ms, a cup of Reese's Pieces M&M thingy bobbers, a cup of candy corns, and a cup of peanuts. And 12 cups of popcorn.
Hi, I'm Kipling, and I'm a kid who loves good food. But I wonder, what does it take to make food really delicious? Come with me as I research the science behind fantabulous food and how to cook it. This is FOOD, Culinary Science for kids of all ages.
We're going to start by taking out all of our unpopped popcorn kernels because you don't want to be eating your Monster Munch and then biting into a hard popcorn kernel. If you want to know how to make your own microwave popcorn, we'll have a link at the end that tells you how to. I have a really easy video on how to do it. It's easy. But we did 8 tablespoons of unpopped popcorn kernels, but we didn't do them all at once. You do one bag of 4 tablespoons and then one bag of 4 tablespoons again. So it's really easy, and you can click on the description at the end. It's going to take me a while to get all of these popcorn kernels out. Alright, we're back. And now we're gonna melt our almond bark according to almond bark instructions. So these instructions say, place desired amount of coating into a microwave safe bowl. Okay. My hair. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's break this in half. Ow! There we go. That hurt. Now we need to microwave at full power for 60 seconds. Stir thoroughly. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to stir this thoroughly. Continue to heat in 15-second increments until this product is smooth. eat in 15-second increments, and our product is smooth. Okay, I'm probably gonna heat it for 15 seconds one more time. Okay, now we are going to pour it into our bowl, and we're going to scrape everything out, and then we're going to mix it around, make sure it gets everywhere. We don't shake it too much because we don't want our popcorn to get smushed. Okay, now you stir it around. Oh, this is a good arm workout. Yeah, it's pretty mixed. Okay. Now once it's mixed, we're gonna spread it out onto a pan, and then we're gonna set it out to cool. But after it's done heating, I was pretty silent, but after it's done heating, then you pour it into the popcorn, and then you add in all your stuff, and you keep stirring until it's even. This is hard to get out. Hard. Good arm workout though. All that stirring. Now this. Should have done more of that training. More of that P90X. Oh, there we go. This is a lot of Monster Munch. Okay, so once you're done spreading it off onto the tray, then once it's done cooling, you might want to break it into smaller clumps because it might all harden into one big sheet. Unless it's all for yourself, and you could just have a huge bar and eat it. But if it's for someone else, which I'm making it for my whole family, you would break it up into different clumps once it's dry, so it's not in a huge thing. But anyway, now you know how to make your own Monster Munch. It's very delicious. And click over here if you want to learn how to make your own microwave popcorn, and I'll see you over there. Bye!